Hi everyone, I really hope you have finished your first project. In this video, I would like to discuss about how AI creates videos. The very first thing is you give instructions. You start with a simple text prompt describing what you want to see, like a cat walking in the city. You can use your imagination. It need not be real. You can say something like a cat flying a parachute or a cat flying an aeroplane, whatever it is, you can just use your imagination and come up with beautiful prompts. The second thing is once you give the prompt to AI tool will understand your words and it will process your text and it uses its training to figure out how things should look and move. So the moment you give the instructions, the AI tool has got a lot of information programmed already. So it is going to understand, okay, this is the requirement from this user. Now it is going to gather all the data that it already has and it is going to start connecting the dots. Third one is AI creates a series of images. The system generates multiple images one after another showing the action step by step. So in the background the system generate multiple images one after other showing the action step by step. And once all these three things are done, it is going to create a video. Those individual images are combined and played quickly in sequence to create smooth motion. So once these images are generated, they're going to be combined to quickly become a sequence to create smooth motion. So this is the background behind AI video creation. Now let us discuss why these AI videos are booming these days. The very first thing is it is fast to create. You don't need film actors, you don't need people to be with you to create video. You can just do it by yourself with the help of AI tools. So you can generate videos in minutes instead of hours or days. Low cost, no expensive equipment or professional teams needed. You don't need to have a professional team or you don't need to have an expensive camera with you. So it is low cost. Easy for anyone. Simple text prompts, no technical skills required. So you don't have to be very good with information technology or something. All you need to do is type a right prompt without any mistakes, without any grammatical mistakes. If you type the prompt correctly, the video is going to be generated without any problem. Useful everywhere, perfect for social media, marketing, education and more. So it can be used in many industries. It can be used for social media, it can be used for marketing, it can be used for education and it can be used for many other purposes. So who use AI videos? Content creators, teachers and trainers, business owners, marketers, students, writers and storytellers, designers, startups, anyone for fun. So this is going to be really helpful for many professionals. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.